think so.
Someone had the audacity once to ask me, why do I drink so much? And I said, well, because this is hard to do sober, Jason.
I told you that.
You did tell me that. At first I didn't believe it, and then I got into the middle of doing this for a living. And just like most of the jobs I've had, I have found that I cannot do them sober. When I was a crane operator, that was dicey.
I mean, think about it. You don't want somebody operating heavy machinery all tensed up.
Right, I would always have 2 shots of tequila just before I went up in the, climb the ladder, you know? Yeah, because I don't want that much responsibility while I'm sober, you know what I mean? Here's a duet. We're going to do it. They're all duets as long as we're willing to do it.